cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. My daughter feels like eating chicken rice, so I'm making hainanese chicken rice for her tonight. So I pre-blanched some, this is half of free-range chicken here. You can see the beautiful yellowish color. So how I blanch it, actually very simple. I just put some, prepare some water and then put in some ginger and also spring onion. And then I blanch this under about 100 degrees Celsius water for about 25 to 30 minutes. Slowly blanch it. Then, of course, after you blanch, you will be having some soups. And this is the chicken stock here. So the chicken stock, I'm going to use it to cook the chicken rice here. I have 3 cups of rice here already washed. So later I'm going to show you how I make the rice very simple. Of course, you will be using the chicken stock as well. Then how do we make the chicken rice more fragrant? Few things here very important. Number 1 is the chicken fat. Yeah. Number 2, this is the this is shallot, minced garlic, and some few pieces of ginger. And this is butter. You can use plantain as well. Actually, at the usually at the chicken's rice shop, they use plantain. I don't have plantain with me. I use butter, even more fragrant. So first of all, we are going to saute the chicken fat. Get the fat out, yeah? Actually, this is quite a lot. If it's too much, I will just take out some of the oil, yeah? Usually when you buy free-range chicken, especially at the wet market, they will actually remove most of the fat, chicken fat for you. And if you want to make some chicken rice, you can ask them to give you back the fat, yeah? You can see it is really yellowish in color. I'll get a little bit more, then I will just remove the fat. Right, I think I have enough chicken oil, chicken fat, yeah? So I'm going to take this out. And that's not forgetting I have some butter as well, yeah? So now I'm going to saute these 3, yeah? Shallot, garlic, and also ginger. It is super easy to make chicken rice at home, seriously. Only thing is you need to take a bit of time to blanch the chicken, that's all. I'm putting in the butter. I still have some chicken oil here. Don't use too high heat. Use medium low. Right, now that you notice this is super fragrant, this is only about, I think, 1-2 minutes, yeah? Then we can put in the rice. I'm making about 3 rice cup of rice tonight. So that anything extra, my daughter can bring it to school tomorrow. So you raise the heat a little bit. See the beautiful yellowish color immediately comes out, yeah? And we want to give the rice some seasoning. Basically, you only need fine salt. Right? So right after you mix everything nicely, we can move this over to the rice cooker. So how much water to put inside? How much chicken stock? Basically, if you are cooking 3 rice cup of rice, you will put about 1.1 times of the water. So 3 cup of rice, probably about 3.3 to 3.5 cups of water. So here's the rice cooker bowl. In a pot, I'm going to add in the chicken stock. Wow. Most of the kids I know, they all love chicken rice. Yeah, does your children or grandchildren like chicken rice as well? Now, if you don't have the chicken fat, feel free to put in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Yeah, it will give you very similar result. I'm not adding my chicken stock powder today because I already have the chicken fat. My countertop today a bit messy. Chinese New Year time, a lot of things on top of it. Okay, so here's my rice cooker. I'm going to set white rice. I prefer soft and start. So this rice cooker will take about 40 minutes, yeah? Right, finally the rice is done, my daughter has been complaining. Wow. Oh, I wish you all can see this. Super fragrant. Ooh, very fluffy also. Let me take it out. Right, finally, my chicken rice is ready. Super fragrant, super fragrant. And then I have put in some ingredients, some veggies, some this is what, egg sausage kind of thing from Sabah, my wife's favorite, to cook together with the chicken stock. And then I have some ready-made sambal belacan here. Today I'm lazy lah, just make it fast. And then I'm going to put some fried garlic oil and fried garlic on top of the chicken. And some fresh coriander on top. Okay, done. Here's my very simple dinner today. It took a while because of the rice cooking process of using the rice cooker. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.